Hello everyone! This video about my July digital bullet journal. This month I decided I want something green. I searched some plants in PNG format with transparent background. Then I transferred it to my sticky book. Then I decided I will stick with current type of BuJo spread, only with some corrections. It's without habit tracker. I don't know, but it don't work for me. And another, I will use running list for my weekly spread and with some notes. And I will add some of my habits here. And I also added some corrections in calendar. It's color coding that I also represent what I should do or what I did earlier. These colors, it's about my oil painting, some computer stuff, language learning, currently it's Korean, YouTube, exercise, video, and my free time. And in general, this month have cover page. Next page it's to do with events and books. Next page it's calendar with color coding. Next it's goals, then sleep and wait, brain dump, my weekly spreads, and achievements. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to leave comments below, subscribe, and bye bye.